Want massive chest? Try this 7 exercises. Exercise number 1. Flat bench press, Smith machine. Target muscle, middle chest, overall mass. 3 sets, 10-12 reps. Exercise number 2. Incline dumbbell press. Target muscle, upper chest. 3 sets, 12 reps. Exercise number 3. Incline Smith machine press. Target muscle, upper chest, inner focus. 3 sets, 10 reps. Exercise number 4. Decline dumbbell press. Target muscle, lower chest. 3 sets, 12 reps. Exercise number 5. Cable crossover, high to low. Target muscle, lower and inner chest. 4 sets, 15 reps. Exercise number 6. Pec Deck Fly, machine fly. Target muscle, middle chest and separation. 3 sets, 12-15 reps. Exercise number 7. Dumbbell Pull-Over. Target muscle, chest expansion and serratus. 3 sets, 12 reps.